Dear students, today our topic is note making. In your exam, an unseen passage about 350 to 500 words will be given and two types of question will be asked. The first question, you have to make notes by using headings or subheadings, and you have to also give some suitable abbreviations wherever it necessary, and this question carry 5 marks. The second part of this question will be to write abstraction or summary of the given passage and suggest a suitable title, and this question carries 3 marks. So the first question arises, what is note making? Note making क्या है? Suppose you are in the class and your teacher is teaching you an important chapter. So it is difficult to all of you to remember all those things taught in the class in the same order. Similarly, in our daily lives, it is not possible for us to memorize everything. So to overcome this difficulty, we have to write down some important details. These details will very helpful in our future. So you can say note making is the way of recording important details. It also trains us to eliminate less important things and concentrate only important things. ठीक है? Next, why do we need notes? हमें notes की जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है? We need notes for the many reasons. We need notes for revising our course before examination, for drafting an essay or article, recalling the past events, and it also provides a permanent record. So these are the reasons we need notes. Now the third question arises, how can we prepare notes? So for preparing notes, we have to follow some steps. Step 1. In your exam, you will get a long passage in about 350 to 500 words. तो करना क्या है? At first, you will read the passage very attentively and carefully. After reading the passage, you have to underline the important things of the passage. समझ में आ गया? पहले आपको पैसेज को बड़े कंसंट्रेशन से, बड़े ध्यान से पढ़ना है, और उसके बाद जो इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट मैटर्स है, यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन देम. आफ्टर दिस, नोट मेकिंग में आपको हेडिंग्स और सब हेडिंग्स बनाने के लिए कुछ रूल को आपको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. मेन हेडिंग्स विल कम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नंबर्स, यानी कि 1 2 3 एंड सो ऑन. आफ्टर मेन हेडिंग्स यू विल राइट सब हेडिंग्स, and these headings will come in the form of Roman numbers, and subheadings will come in the form of ABC. इन 3 steps में you will write your note making. Now the question arises, how do you make main heading? आप main heading कैसे बनाएंगे? तो simplest way इसका ये है, after reading the passage, एक्चुअली क्या है कि आपको जो पैसेज होगा वो कई पैराग्राफ्स में डिवाइड होगा. सपोज वो 5 पैराग्राफ्स में डिवाइड है, तो यू हैव टू मेक 5 मेन हेडिंग्स. तो एट फर्स्ट यू विल रीड फर्स्ट पैसेज, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ, एंड देन यू विल आस्क अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ, व्हाट इज दिस पैराग्राफ अबाउट, एंड योर आंसर विल बी द मेन हेडिंग ऑफ दिस पैराग्राफ. आपने पैराग्राफ को पढ़ा और स्वयं से प्रश्न पूछा कि ये पैराग्राफ किस बारे में है, और जो उत्तर मिलेगा दैट विल बी द मेन हेडिंग ऑफ दिस पैराग्राफ. बहुत आसान है, इसमें घबराने की बात नहीं है. हर स्टूडेंट का अलग अलग हेडिंग्स और सब हेडिंग्स हो सकती है. तो बिल्कुल आप मेन हेडिंग्स में बिल्कुल कंफ्यूजन मत करिए. आप सिर्फ पैराग्राफ को पढ़ने के बाद स्वयं से प्रश्न पूछिए कि व्हाट इज दिस पैसेज अबाउट, and your answer will be the main heading of the paragraph. ठीक है? After writing main heading, you will write some subheadings. As I told you earlier, you have to read the passage very carefully and underline some important things or some important matters. So with the help of these underlined lines, you have to make subheadings of your passage. Now, I will tell you the characteristics of good notes. अच्छे नोट्स की क्या विशेषताएं होती हैं, ये मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूं. At first, your notes should be very short and simple. Then you have to add just important elements and eliminate less important matters. Okay? Avoid long sentences as main headings or subheadings. Use abbreviations and symbols wherever it necessary. Preposition, conjunction, interjection, articles और helping verb should be omitted. इन्हें हमें प्रयोग नहीं करना है. And the most important thing, you have to write your notes only in phrases, not in sentences. आपको अपने notes केवल phrases मीन्स वाक्यांश में लिखने हैं, न कि sentence के रूप में. So these are some important characteristics of good notes. Now बच्चों, I am going to tell you about abbreviations. There are three types of abbreviations. Number 1, acronyms. Number 2, contraction. And number 3, short forms. First, acronyms. In acronyms, we take first initial letters of, ठीक है? For example, NCERT, National Council of Education Research Training. NCERT, National Cadet Corps, NCC. Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE. World Health Organization, WHO. So you can see we take only first initial letters. ठीक है? And remember one thing, you never use any dot between these letters. Okay? The second one is contraction. In contraction, we take first few letters of a word. For example, government. We will write it GOV, then dot. Colonel, COLONEL, COL. Signature, SIG. September, SEP. Sunday, SUN. And then dot. Here you will mark dot. Dot means there are some more letters behind this. Okay? The third is short forms. In short forms, we take first few and the last few letters of a word. For example, government. You can write it GOV and then T, government. Doctor, DR. Fit, FT. Mr, MR. So these are the examples of short form. Now I am going to explain note making with the help of this passage. At first, read the passage very carefully and attentively. So I am reading this passage. I remember my childhood as being generally happy and can recall experiencing some of the most carefree times of my life. But I can also remember even more vividly moments of being deeply frightened. As a child, I was truly terrified of the dark and getting lost. These fears were very real and caused me some extremely unforgettable moments. This is the first paragraph of the passage. And then this is the second paragraph and so on. और एग्जाम में भी आपका ऐसे ही आएगा, लॉन्ग पैसेज आएगा और उसको डिवाइड होगा अलग अलग पैराग्राफ्स में. ठीक है? तो मैंने पहला पैराग्राफ पढ़ा एंड देन अंडरलाइन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स ऑफ द पैराग्राफ. As you can see, happy, carefree, frightened, terrified, dark, extremely unforgettable moments. These are some important things of this paragraph. Now, with the help of these underlined points, I will make subheadings. But before making subheadings, we will discuss about main heading. As I told you earlier, what should be the main heading of the passage? आप बता सकते हैं इसकी क्या मेन हेडिंग हो सकती है? मैंने बताया था आपको, you read the passage very carefully and then ask a question from yourself, what is this paragraph about? What is this paragraph about? ये पैराग्राफ किस बारे में है? ये पैराग्राफ किस बारे में है? अगर सोचिए तो आपको पता चलेगा ये पैराग्राफ उसकी बचपन की यादों के बारे में है, यानी मेमोरीज ऑफ चाइल्डहुड. सो मेमोरीज ऑफ चाइल्डहुड विल बी द मेन हेडिंग ऑफ दिस पैराग्राफ. आसान है ना? सो हियर इज द main heading of this paragraph, memories of childhood, and you can write in number 1. 1 means this is the first main heading of first paragraph. समझ में आ गया? Then subheadings. You can see happy and carefree life. So this will be the first subheading. Then frightened or terrified with darkness. This will be the second subheading, terrified with darkness and unforgettable moments. This will be the third subheading of this paragraph, unforgettable moments. And here you can see, here I use unforgettable as UNFOR dot. It means this is the example of contraction. Remember, I told you in contraction, we take first few letters of a word and then put dot. So unforgettable UNFOR dot. समझ में आ गया? So इस तरीके से आप नोट मेकिंग कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट यू विल रीड another paragraph and another paragraph and then you will make another main heading or subheadings. So dear students, this is all about note making. I hope you will revise it. Thank you.